this is some little jig heads. And then this is actually, I think, crappie bait. But this color works really good at the creeks. Like that. Little one, I saw them take it. Something bigger like that. Oh, you see it? Did you see it eat it?
Mm-hmm.
At the top. You saw it take it?
Yeah, I did.
Hey! That weed line right there by the bank, that's where they were. And 2 casts in a row got them there. That's pretty dang good. Alright, let's see. You come a little closer, you might see him. Oh, it was a baby one. You seen it? I didn't even know. It was so little. I guess it was swimming with it. I didn't even know. I should have set the hook better. Did you see it? No. There we go. That's good. They're right there. Oh, I see a little one. Little one just, I saw him hit it. There's so many right there, and they're just hitting it. Got it, a little one. Dang, there's so many little ones right there. Honestly, if you want to stock a pond, these would be perfect for stocking a pond. We did that once. Got him. Maybe that was the big one that was chasing the bait fish. All little, but fun. That one that was jumping. Yeah, money. I think I got that one that was busting up on that bait fish just a second ago. Come up. Number 10. Over here in the deeper hole, I switch it to this little bitty right here. First one on the crankbait. So we saw this creek just when we were driving on the side of the road, and one day we decided to fish it, and we caught like maybe 5, but then it started to rain. So then we came back about 2 weeks ago, and I think we caught maybe like 7, but then it got like super hot and we didn't have any sunscreen, so we got sunburnt. So we were like, we gotta head back. But there was like, it looked like from the side of the road, some deep holes by this bridge. So today we decided we were just gonna walk all the way there. It took us like an hour to walk from where we parked to the deep holes. But when we got there, they weren't even deep. Like, it was super shallow, grassy. It was really hard to walk around there. Like a lot of rocks, so I was scared maybe there's gonna be some snakes. So we came back to some ponds that we had made it to last time, but really didn't get a fish that much in them. And right now we've only covered a little small area and I've caught 15. So now we're just taking a little break over here on this concrete, and then we're gonna keep walking to some of the holes that we've caught them before. So we'll see how much we can catch. Oh, different species. That's the 16th fish, the only one of these. 15 bass. Some nice wildflowers out here. I really like this purple ones here. Nice, chunky. Number 18 over here. Let's see if we get another one. Look at that dragonfly. Pretty purple.